Okay, so in this drawing we would be copying a given angle A onto line EF. Alright, so we don't know how many degrees this angle A is at, but we are still going to do the construction for it. Okay, so we'll go on to the construction lines, and the first thing we want to do is to go to center, start, end for arc. So we cut our start point, our midpoint will be at A, right? And then we're going to scribe a arc to intersect these two lines here, right? But we must know the distance from A in which we scribe the arc. So in this case, we could use 70. Enter. We're going to scribe the arc. That's it. And then we're going to name where these 2 points intersect, where these 2 lines intersect, sorry. We're going to name them B and C. Alright. Now we're going to come with the same center, start, end arc, and we're going to go from point E as center, and we're going to scribe an arc 70 from E 70 and scribe the arc. Nice. Now we are going to go using point C as center for the center, start, end, and then we're going to go where B is, and we're going to scribe an arc as well. Alright, now what we want to do, we want to copy this distance here. So we select this, and then we click the copy mode, and using C as the base point, we're going to copy here. Now where these 2 lines intersect, that is going to be our angle. Alright, and now we could lengthen this line. Right. Now we can fairly see that angle A is equal to angle E. Right, and that's how we copy a given angle. And we can even go further to measure the angle. Right, and we see here the angle is 27 degrees. And to double check, we come here and here, and our angle is 27 degrees, which means that the both angles are equal.